I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to analyze image using OpenAI Vision in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This feature allows businesses to gain insights from images sent to their chatbot. First, make sure you have OpenAI ChatGPT connected to your chatbot account in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Create a flow where you will collect image from your user and use OpenAI Vision to analyze it. There you have it. You just learned how to analyze image using OpenAI Vision in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.